Hello friends, my name is Ravi Kumar and you are most welcome in my YouTube channel R Institute. This is my first video on YouTube channel and most of the students ask me and approach me to teach us, but I don't have the sufficient time to teach them. Then I thought whatever the time I have, let's make the videos and create a channel. So we created this channel with that objective, and we thought that to even we thought that to provide the videos for all academic subjects. So this is the main objective of this channel, to provide you the videos for all academic subjects. Then we thought to make the videos in two languages, the in Hindi language and in English language. If you are comfortable in Hindi language, then you can go with Hindi language, and if you are comfortable in English language, then you can go with English language. So here we are going to start with English for the 12th CBSE board and spoken English. Spoken English for those students who are weak, who are not comfortable English, and so that they can learn it and they can read out, they can write it, they can speak it. So with that objective, we are going to start spoken English as well. So here the name of the name of the channel is R Institute, and we are going to teach you with 12th English, CBSE board, in two languages, in Hindi language and English language, and Hindi, and spoken English for those students who are not comfortable in English. So we are going to start with these two things, and these videos, okay. So guys, if you think that we need to take coaching classes, then guys you must take the coaching classes. Okay, do not waste your time here and there and on just go by online. Okay, so if you think that this is your own capacity because you need coaching classes, so I personally recommend you must join the institutes and do not waste your time here. Okay, so we are going to make the videos for those students who want to do this self study, and they need only support. So these videos are good for them, and all those students who are financially weak and they want to do this study, they want to join the coaching institutes, but they do not have money. So these videos are good for those students. Otherwise each and every students are most welcome on this channel, and we are going to provide you the best content in a systematic way. And another thing that I would like to share with you guys, do not follow the marks. Okay, try to get the knowledge in depth, because if you have a good knowledge, marks will follow you. Okay, and I know how I have to teach you, because I don't have any tension regarding the marks, because I know you will score the good marks in your board exam. And the content that I'm going to provide you, this is a more than sufficient to get the 100% and score the 100 out of 100 in your exam. So guys, the work that you have to do to get the knowledge, your task is to get the knowledge, our work is to provide you the best content, good content. So we know the content that will provide you, this is more than sufficient. Okay guys, and another thing that I would like to share with you, that is whenever you watch these videos, do at least one thing: either you like the video or you dislike the video. And if you think that these videos are good for you, your friends, your relatives, you must share these videos. These are free of cost. Okay guys, and if there is any question that you want to share with you, anything that you want to share with me, and there is a comment box where you comment, and let me go through all your comments. Okay guys, and then I personally reply, then I reply you. Okay, so guys, so this is all about this channel that we are going to do, and that we are going to teach you. So for that, and we started this channel 18 December 2020. So by the onwards we are going to make the videos for all academic subjects going to upload, and I have told you that we are going to start with English for 12th and CBSE board and spoken English in two languages, in Hindi and English. So in which language you are comfortable, you can go with that. Okay guys, and thank you so much for watching this video, and take care of you and do study and make your family proud on you, and take care of you guys.